How to not let nothing new under the sun kill your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom today is nothing new under the sun. This is actually a little stress ball, but I love this idiom. I love this expression. It is from the Bible. It was first mentioned in the Bible. Now, back in the days of the Bible, guess what? There weren't very many new scientific discoveries or there wasn't much in the way of science or inventions back then. So people believed that everything was just another version of something that had already been developed. The wheel had been around for a while, and people were doing variations of that. So, oh, it's just a wheel. Oh, it's just a wagon. It's just a cart. It's just a whatever. Simple machines were all that existed. And guess what? A lot of what we do in manufacturing and in the world and in different industries today is based on those simple machines, right? We still use levers and pulleys and gears and all kinds of things that have been invented and discovered a long, long time ago. But does that really mean that there's nothing new under the sun? I love this idiom because guess what? You can argue either side of it and be absolutely positively right. I believe, and I'm not sure what you believe or not, but I believe that there are universal laws, natural laws, foundational principles and things that exist in our world, in every industry, every business, and in the world, and how the world works, scientifically, mathematically, whatever, that are the foundation of everything. But just because they're the foundation of something doesn't mean they don't lead to the creation of absolutely positively new and different things. Combining different things from different industries together, combining different things from different areas of science together, I'm from the food industry, combining different foods from different regions of the world together creates whole new things. And are they components of ingredients that already existed? Absolutely, positively, but it doesn't mean that they're not a new thing. Now, in our businesses and in our lives, if we believe that nothing new is ever created under the sun, then what the heck are we, right? As human beings, each and every one of us is different, and we're all new. We're all human beings. Yep, we're all human beings, but we're all different. We're all unique. We're all special. And we want to create that same thing in our businesses as we're growing our businesses. Our businesses are created on a unique set of core values and beliefs and principles and ideas than anybody else's business. If they aren't, we have to ask ourselves, what are we doing? Who are we serving? And you see this in marketing and sales all the time nowadays, especially as the internet and the online world has come into being. Everybody is striving to boy, I need a drink of coffee. To differentiate themselves and prove how different they are. Now, we're not proving we're different because we're new and special and there's never been an accounting firm like ours before, or an advertising agency like ours before, or a ravioli maker like us before. But I will tell you, I, with 100% belief and conviction, believed wholeheartedly that we made the best ravioli in the whole wide world, the best white sauce in the whole wide world, the best Italian garlic bread in the whole wide world, in my Italian food manufacturing business. And that's because we had our own unique recipe. We had our own unique processes and way of producing this. Were we the first people on the planet to make ravioli? Heck no, I'm not even Italian. But I believe that the way we combined things together, we created a new and special and unique handmade product unlike any other. And so, were we new and different? Yes. Were we not new because ravioli had existed long before D'Abruzzi Italian food? Yes. So both are right. So how do you make sure that people don't see you as nothing new under the sun, no matter what business you're in, no matter what you're doing? You find a group of people that you are absolutely positively overjoyed to serve, people that you want to help, people that you love and care about, people that you want to see succeed by using your products and services. And then you create products and services and solve problems for them like nobody else. That's how you differentiate yourself. That's how you make sure the people that you're serving, the people that you're interacting with, know that you are indeed different, that you are something different and new under this sun. You're not just marketing slogans or branding or pretty pictures or pretty graphics that represent something that is just a variation of something else that you've learned from somebody else in a course. You let them know your core values. You let them know what you stand for. You let them know that you're there for them. And the better you do that, that's how you truly differentiate yourself. And people understand that you are unique and special and different, just like every other human being on the planet, right? We're all different, even though we're all human beings. Anyway, that's my little take on nothing new under the sun. Would love to know your experience with this, and if you debate it. If you're an avid reader, if you are an avid reader, like Avril and some other of my friends, and me included, you realize that the same information, you read it over and over and over again, especially if you're reading bestsellers, right? Because, and if you, coaching programs, anything online, there is such a proliferation of. This just reminds me of shopping. Have you been grocery shopping? Maybe not lately because of the COVID-19 quarantine and things, but I remember standing in the cheese aisle, frozen, thinking, how on earth can there be so many different kinds of cheese? I was getting cheese for a recipe, and I love to cook. That's one of my things. But I was just overwhelmed that there was an entire aisle plus of cheese. And then I went into the pizza aisle, and there were two aisles, an entire aisle, both sides lined with variations of frozen pizza. Really? That's when you wonder sometimes, is there anything new under the sun? Do we really need this many choices of everything? Go to the cracker aisle, go to the cookie aisle, go to the soup aisle, go to the canned vegetable aisle, go to the produce section. You know, there's 20 kinds of greens and salads. So sometimes I wonder, even, do we need all this variation? Do we need all these varieties? And you know, probably not, but obviously there's a market for them, or they wouldn't exist and they wouldn't be on the store shelf. All right, have an awesome day. Share in the comments below what you think of this idiom and the experiences that you've had with it. And I will be with you tomorrow with another one, another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how can you use it in your business today? Take care.